All right, we got another small business spotlight, and today we're doing a little boutique truck. Let's go inside and meet the owner and see what we can learn about the place. It's day 174 of building $1 million business in 1 year.
Hi there, my name is Baily Rich, and this is my mobile boutique. It's called Baily's, a rolling boutique. I started Baily's back in 2021. This is a 1985 Chevy step van that I bought off Craigslist, brought it home and told my boyfriend the plan, and we transformed it into what you see here today. I take the truck all around the Triangle area. I am a Wake Forest resident. I call the truck Pinky, and Pinky rolls about an hour outside of the Triangle. We carry a curated and affordable selection of women's clothing and accessories. We pop up anywhere you want to shop. We'll bring the truck to your house, your business. We do festivals, come to breweries, so wherever you can think of to shop, we can bring the truck to you. You can find me on Instagram at Shop Baily's, and my website is shopbailys.com. That will also say where the truck is going to be rolling to next, and you can shop on Instagram and online as well.
That's it, another small business spotlight in the books, and it was a good one, something different, nice place. All their stuff looks really nice. My girls really like it. Maddie found something she loved today. She wants to buy more stuff, but maybe next time. Make sure you check them out. Like, follow, and subscribe to us. Follow them on their Instagram. And as always, stay broke.